What's something people don't know about tigers? Tigers are not just big cats, they're mind-blowing marvels of nature. Did you know a tiger's roar can be heard from over 2 miles away? That's like shouting from one end of a football field to the other. 40 times. And get this, their stripes aren't just for show. Each tiger's stripes are unique, just like human fingerprints. So no two tigers are ever the same. Here's a cool one. Tigers are amazing swimmers. They love water and can swim for miles, unlike your average house cat. So next time you see a tiger, just remember, you're looking at one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Roar on, tiger fans.